To use Zopa Login. Start by going to the Zopa website and click on the Login button located at the top right corner of the page. You will be directed to a new page where you need to enter your email address and password. Make sure to type in the correct credentials to avoid any login issues. If you are a new user, you will need to sign up for an account. First, click on the Sign Up button and provide the required information such as your name, email address, and password. You will also need to provide some personal and financial information to complete the sign up process. Once you have entered your login credentials, click on the Login button to access your account. You will be taken to your dashboard where you can view your account balance, transaction history, and other important information. To ensure the security of your account, make sure to use a strong and unique password. Avoid using easily guessable information such as your name or birth date. It is also recommended to enable two-factor authentication to add an extra layer of security to your account. If you encounter any issues during the login process, you can click on the Forgot Password button to reset your password. You will need to enter your email address and follow the instructions to create a new password. In addition to logging in through the website, you can also use the Zopa mobile app to access your account. The app is available for both iOS and Android devices and can be downloaded from the App Store. Best practices for using Zopa Login include regularly updating your password, monitoring your account activity, and keeping your personal and financial information up to date. By following these steps and tips, you can securely and easily access your Zopa account and manage your finances.